Hello, welcome back to my channel, my beautiful family. How are you all doing? I believe everybody is doing fine. So today I'm going to be making Bofrot, and without wasting much more of your time, let's get started. So here I have all-purpose flour. I have also dry yeast and some evaporated milk, just about 2 tablespoons. I have here salt and I have nutmeg. I also have here sugar and warm water. I have here my measuring cup, which I'll be using. I have 1 cup. This is a measurement of 1 cup, and the smaller one is 1/3 measurement. So I'll be using the big one for measuring the flour and the small one for the sugar. So in my dry clean bowl, I'll just measure 2 cups of flour. You can measure according to the quantity that you want. I am just using 2 cups. We are just 2 people in the house. And I just have add 1/3 of the sugar. Not too much sugar, but you can use more sugar if you want, use to your taste. And then here I added my dry yeast, and I'm going to grate the nutmeg. You can use the powder one also if you want. I'll just place my bowl on top of the plastic to avoid shaking when I'm mixing my ingredient. So after combining the ingredient together, I added the salt, and I'm just going to go ahead and add my water and start mixing. So I just added the milk also. The milk is optional. You can skip that part if you don't want. And if you want to add milk too, please make sure you don't add too much milk. And then I'll be adding water bit by bit, not to get the dough too watery and not too thick. So you keep on mixing and keep on adding water until you get the perfect texture that you want, and be doing that step by step. If in case you mix your dough and it's too watery, you can add a little bit more of the flour. And you can also use your hand for this process, but I'm using here my spatula. So as you can see, I have the perfect consistency that I want. And you can see the yeast is very active, so you can see the stretchiness of the dough. Now I'm just going to wrap it or cover it and allow it to sit for about 4 hours until the dough rises. It depends the temperature of your room. My place is a little bit cold, so I'll just leave it for 4 hours. But if you are in Africa or anywhere that the temperature is hot, 2 hours will be just perfect. So as you can see, my dough has been resting for 4 hours now. As you can see, it has risen, and you can see all the bubbles on top of the dough. So it's ready at this moment, and I've already put my oil on the fire. So the dough rises, but the moment you mix it together, all go down again. So as you can see here, the oil is already hot, and I'm going to start frying my Bofrot or puff puff or Botokoin, as the Togolese call it. So you just scoop your dough and then just drop. You scoop and drop You just take the size that you want. If you want it more smaller, more bigger, you do it as you want. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you. I really appreciate all of you. And if today is the first time of clicking to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share and leave me a comment. So as you can see, the Bofrot is being, I'm frying this on a medium heat. You don't want to make high heat because you don't want your Bofrot to get burnt. It will burn outside, but the inside will still be raw. So make sure you use medium heat so that all can be well fried both in and out. So keep on flipping it till I get all the side well fried. So as you can see, it's almost done now. Just few, 1 or 2 or 3 pieces just left to fry very well on the other side. And I'll keep on flipping until all is well fried. So keep stirring, keep mixing, keep turning it because you want to get all the parts well fried. As you can see, I still have some that have that are not well fried. That's why the sides are showing white. But the moment all get fried, you see all this golden brown color, so beautiful and well fried. I just let it fry for just 1 more minute and I'm going to be taking it off the oil. So there we are, all is done, and I'm going to be removing it from the oil and I'm going to serve. So you can have it with anything in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. You can have this as snack. In the morning, just have it as breakfast with some porridge. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and please don't forget to stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.